Follow these instructions to activate or deactivate the child lock feature on an LG washing machine. This works on all models no matter how old or new the washing machine is. So, when you come up to the washing machine and you turn it on, look for the pre-wash button. And as you can see at the bottom, it says child lock. What you do is you press and hold it. And you can see now it is pulsing CL. And now all the buttons are disabled. Except for the power button. And now to deactivate it, you push the child lock feature button again. And now everything is now back to normal. There you go.